Good morning. If you guys remember, I upgraded my brake pads at 7,000 miles to the EBC Double H. I'm at 26,000 miles right now. So it's about, 19,000 miles. So it's time to change my brake pads. This time I was able to do something that I'm very happy about. I actually got or found ones that will work, but these are the EPFA, okay? So this is what I actually used to use on the track. These have an incredible bite, initial bite, as soon as you apply the brakes. So I'm very excited to upgrade to these, so let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to remove this clip over here holding the ABS cable. Then we're going to remove the bolts. These are 14 millimeters. When you're removing the caliper, be careful. When you're removing it, it might scratch your rim, okay? Now that we're done cleaning the pistons and push them in, don't forget to install the backing plate and install this side first. We need to make sure that we clean the disc thoroughly with the brake cleaner. With the new pads on, time to install it on the disc. Per the manual, they want you to install new bolts. They already have the thread lock on them. And we're going to torque these down to 33 foot-pounds. Make sure you pump your brakes before you ride the bike. Reinstall the clip. Now that we have them on, it's time to take the bike out so that we can do the bed-in process. And then after that, I'll do a review. Good morning, guys. Finally, I get a chance to come out and test out these new brake pads that we installed. And what better way to do it than to go up into the mountains, over the mountains, into West Virginia, and to enjoy these beautiful, beautiful colors. So I can't wait to get over the mountain to see what it's like over there. So let's get over the mountain and then we'll catch up over there. Perfect place to test out the brakes, don't you think? The bite on these, man, the bite on these is freaking awesome. Man, I cannot recommend these highly enough. Let me tell you a little bit of a story. These are the actual brake pads that I used to use on the track. They are the EPFA, so these are fantastic for the track. Look at these corners, and the bike feels amazing with the new suspension, with these brakes. It's riding it, I was thinking about that a little bit earlier, and the only thing I can think of is riding the bike now is effortless, man. It just beautifully goes into the corners, holds the line. The stability is phenomenal. When you're doing 80 miles an hour, it feels as if you're going 60, to be honest with you. So yeah, I'm loving this bike. It's like I'm falling in love all over again, man.
Yeah, I fell in love in the middle of a back road. Looking back, I can't believe I didn't know. Yeah, I was matching the beat in mine, keeping rhythm and keeping time. There's no way you know where this road's gonna go, but the only thing that I really need to know is wherever you go, I go. I fell in love in the middle of a back road.
I feel like a little kid, just look at that.
Moonlight shining right off the rear view. Honky tonk angels got nothing on you. You got my heart skipping a beat, and we ain't even left this front seat. Sunrise is gonna be the death of me.
These are the colors that I came for. I love the red and the yellow. It's just gorgeous. Look how gorgeous. Wow. Wow. All right, we made it. Let's go check out Black Waterfalls.
It's a long day, living in Reseda. There's a freeway running through the yard, and I'm a bad boy, 'cause I don't even I'm a bad boy for breaking her heart. And I'm free, free falling. Yeah, I'm free, free falling. Now all the vampires walking through the valley, move
Breathtaking,
west,
just absolutely breathtaking.
Ventura Boulevard, and all the bad boys are standing in the shadows, and the good girls are home with broken hearts. And I'm free, free falling. Yeah, I'm free.
This is a good place to show you the performance of the brakes, okay? Progressive, watch. Freaking awesome, man, awesome. The bite on them, the bite is just incredible. They bite so quickly, so you guys need to be careful with that. If you don't like the initial bite to be fast, these are not for you. But if you want the added performance, added grip, definitely this is highly recommended. Today I put about 260, so by the time I get home is about 300 miles on the new brakes, and it was a great opportunity to test out the whole bike, you know, because I haven't had a chance to take it out for a long ride with the new suspension. So it transformed the bike, guys. It's awesome. The bike feels so stable on the highway, in the long sweepers, in the mountains, you name it, man. All around, it's definitely a huge improvement for me. I'm very pleased with the results, very pleased with the bike. The brakes, I cannot recommend them highly enough. They're very affordable. It's only like $80. I think it's almost the same price as the OEM pads, right? So it's not that much money, but they just feel amazing. It's hard for me to articulate it, so you guys are gonna have to take my word for it, and once you try it out you'll understand where I'm coming from. But they're beautiful, very linear braking. The initial bite is fantastic. You guys know I had mentioned after I did the EBC upgrade, which was the double H, I didn't feel that much difference between the OEM and the new EBC double H's, but with these, definitely the EPFAs, this is what I used to use on the track. This is what is needed for this bike, since it has a single disc up front. It doesn't have a dual disc, so this is what you guys are looking for. And I'm gonna leave it there. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a bonus. Very soon I'm going to be getting brand new suspension for the front, and once that comes in, of course, you guys know the drill. I'm gonna do a whole video installation video review and all that fun stuff. Have an amazing day, you guys.